Nur Azizah Podunnge, honey, not Podunnge. Yes, just search on Google or on YouTube, honey, because there are so many videos of Tatan, and he is so funny. So I take that name. Yes, I have 3 cats here, honey. They are Sophie, Keanu, and Miho. I'm so sorry, I touched the wrong screen. So about Miho, yes, I took the name from the Korean, but I didn't take it from a singer, honey. That from a movie, K-drama, not K-pop, honey. The name of that movie is My Girlfriend is Gumiho. So you can see that movie, and then I take that name from that movie, honey. I love that movie so bad. That's why I choose the name of that movie into my cat. So actually tomorrow I'm going to apply to so many companies, honey. I think I will apply to a school and then to another school, but not as a teacher, but as administration, honey. So in another school, I'm applying as a teacher, and my mom asked me to be a teacher. My mom is very is begging me to be a teacher, honey, but I don't like it. But I will try my best to do everything, because I have a chance right now, honey. I have a chance to do this. So please pray for me. Every day is always raining, honey. It's always raining, so I don't know if tomorrow it will rain or not.